How to create API key in ElevenLabs.io. So this is very simple. All you're gonna have to do is to open your account. Make sure you are signed in. And once you are here in the left down corner area, navigate to developers. And here you will find some sections: overview, API keys, webhooks. So we're gonna open API keys and now simply click on create. Now you can name your API key, you can restrict key, you can set the monthly usage, and you can also access some endpoints. So for example, text to speech, I like to access all these features: speech to text, speech to speech, sound effects, audio isolation, etc. And also dubbing and 11 agents. You can choose between read and write. And now if you got it, click on create and your API key gonna be created here. You can just enable it here or disable it if you want to. Also, if you want to remove it, click three dots, click delete, and that's it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.